being covered by Action 2 News reporters Joshua Piguero and Katie Anderson. We begin with the approval of a body camera program for Ashwaubenon Public Safety. The village board approving a 5-year program last month, making way for the new cameras and equipment associated with them. Our Katie Anderson, remember, first covered the program approved for the Green Bay City Police Department, and that was a couple of months ago. And now Ashwaubenon joins the ranks, Katie. So why now for Ashwaubenon Public Safety? Have they looked at this in the past?
They really haven't looked at this in the past, only because of the cost. So now with the Packers stepping up to fund a significant portion of Green Bay's body camera program, Ashwaubenon got on board with that. So that's why this program is possible now there. And this was also Chief Brian Yules. That was one of his goals when he came here, and he's been the chief for about a year now. So this is really fulfilling a goal of the Public Safety Department.
Again, the Packers stepping up to help Ashwaubenon. We know what they did with Green Bay. Of course, they're going to do the same with Brown County. So the equipment arrived yesterday. What's next? When do they expect officers to have these in the field?
Officers need to be trained on how to use the body cameras properly and all the equipment associated with that. And the chief hopes that that can be done within the next month or two. So they're going to get right on that. And not only did they get body cameras, but they also got upgraded tasers and also some cameras for their squad cars.
Is this the same similar equipment that Green Bay will use? I would assume so, because the Packers are involved, and that was one of the things they wanted, because they could negotiate a better price if you're buying in bulk, right? So I'm assuming this is the same?
Yes. So the company that they went with is called Axon, and the Green Bay Police Department will have Axon, Ashwaubenon Public Safety, De Pere, and I believe Wrightstown also.
So De Pere currently has it, right?
Yes. So this makes the process and of streamlining information so much easier, not only between police departments, because they all work together frequently.
Oftentimes respond together.
Yes, and then also for the DA's office, it's going to make it a lot easier to share information with them. It's going to be as simple as sending the DA's office a link to some of these videos and evidence.
Okay, Katie, thanks very much for the update. She'll have much more on this coming up tonight on Action 2 News at 10.